Forget everything you thought you knew about home gadgets. In 2025, even your coffee maker and power station have leveled up into futuristic, problem-solving machines. Today, we're diving into 10 smart tools that make life easier, cleaner, faster, and a whole lot cooler, from kitchen upgrades to grooming tools and power solutions. These gadgets are all about function meeting innovation. Let's get into it. First up, the Wancle 110W Sous Vide cooker. This sleek device brings restaurant-style cooking right to your kitchen. Just clip it to any pot, set the temperature on the touch screen, and let it cook your food with water-circulated precision. No burning, no overcooking, just perfectly juicy steak, fish, chicken, or eggs every time. It's waterproof, powerful, and takes the guesswork out of cooking. If you can boil water, you can cook like a pro. Next, a game changer for the forgetful, the Smart GPS Tracker Card. It's thinner than a credit card and slides easily into your wallet or bag. Paired with your iPhone's Find My app, it helps you locate your things in seconds. No subscription, no bulky design, just smart, reliable tracking when you need it most. If you're a coffee lover, meet your new obsession, the HiBREW H1OB Espresso machine. It pushes 20 bars of pressure to extract rich, bold flavor with that perfect cafe-style crema. It's slim, adjustable, and does both hot and cold brews. Whether it's a quick morning espresso or a relaxing afternoon cappuccino, this machine gets it right every single time. Let's talk grooming. The WMARK and GX1 clippers are made for serious cuts, with a high-speed magnetic motor running at 10,000 RPM and ultra-sharp blades. It slices through hair like butter. It's cordless, comes with a charging dock, and gives you 150 minutes of use on a single charge. Whether you're lining up your fade or trimming your beard, this is barbershop power in your hand. Now for your teeth. The INSMART Oral Irrigator. Think of it as a pressure washer for your mouth. It uses a 300 milliliters tank and multiple modes to flush out food, plaque, and bacteria way more effectively than floss. Your dentist will thank you, and so will your gums. Need to relax? The 500 milliliters Essential Oil Diffuser is basically a spa in a box. It runs for up to 18 hours, changes colors with soft LED light, and can be controlled from across the room with the remote. Add a few drops of oil and feel the stress melt away. It's quiet, it auto shuts off, and makes any space smell amazing. This one's addictive. The Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Just fill it with water, drop in your rings, glasses, or watch bands, and in minutes it shakes off years of grime with 40 kilohertz sonic waves. No scrubbing, no chemicals, just satisfying sparkle. Desk full of cables. Say hello to the 3-in-1 wireless charging stand, one sleek platform to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. No clutter, no fuss, just clean, fast charging from one outlet. Perfect for nightstands, desks, or even travel bags. If you ever worrying about losing power, especially outdoors or during blackouts, the ALLPOWERS or 1500 is a lifesaver. It's a portable power station with a huge 1,150 watt-hours battery, 1800 West output, and can power everything from a mini fridge to your entire remote work setup. You can plug in laptops, lights, tools, and even wirelessly charge your phone right on top of it. It's solar compatible and can act as a backup generator. It's like taking the power grid with you. And finally, if you 3D print, you know moisture ruins filament. These vacuum seal filament storage bags keep your PLA, ABS, or PETG totally dry and print ready. Just toss in a desiccant pack, vacuum it shut, and store with confidence. Dry filament means clean prints. No bubbles, no snapping, no waste. Find the link in the comments to get yours.